Okay guys, let's go in. Hello.
Hello, good morning. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm very good.
Who are you?
I am assistant professor from
Of?
sociology department.
And I'm from the commerce department.
And I am from education department.
Please introduce yourself, sir.
Okay, hi, my name is Rehearsal.
Yes.
And I'm from, I don't know.
Please use that hand gesture. You said B. How to pronounce your name?
How to pronounce my name?
Yeah. Okay. Okay. How to pronounce your name?
My name is B with a D. And you can call me Bidil.
Okay. What about you? Hello.
I'm a candidate of BJP. I contested from one of the constituency of Meghalaya, but I lose. Badly, Nota got higher vote than me.
Miss.
Hello.
To Mrs.
Hello, I
Introduce
stand for
yourself.
pink color.
I am Miss Basi from Education Department.
And your favorite color is pink.
My favorite color is white.
White.
Just like you.
So Miss Basi, I heard you were twinning with someone today.
Yes.
Who's there?
Yeah, someone
No.
from your department.
Oh, don't worry.
Valentine's Day. Miss, please introduce yourself.
I am Miss Tuda from Commerce Department.
Yay.
And we're busy for tomorrow's program.
What program?
The inauguration of this building.
Malik.
He's the owner of the bus, one bus. He bought a bus.
He's very rich, okay guys?
Just live, eat, and no, study. This is for students, not for me.
No, for teachers, not for
For
students.
teachers, come on time. They're always late, especially the cameraman.
Especially,
The cameraman.
especially the owner of the bus. Bus.
Where is father? Bus number 4.
Sweet.
Fortune.
Man
You
of
know
fortune.
fortune? I like fortune.
Okay, no, not on camera. But yeah, I am a man of fortune. Like
Of course, you have a lot of money. That's fortune.
no, fortune doesn't mean only money. And be culture enough.
I mean, for you, it's
Rich in life, yes.
Hey, for you, it's
Rich in
material
life.
fortune. Yes.
Rich in
No,
life.
don't be a materialistic person. That is the
For
way.
you, it is materialistic.
No, I don't go for that.
Fight, fight, fight.
Spiritual.
Fight.
I want to be rich in values. Thank you.
And why your phone is hot like that?
Okay, sometimes it's not always about money, okay? It's
It's
not
not
always
about
about
money.
money.
Why do you look at me like that? You think I'm always about money? So you think I am always about money?
Every life is not always about money, right?
Life
English.
is not always about money, okay? It's about values. It's about
Exactly.
having certain principles.
Please,
It's about love.
turn to
It's
Royal,
about-
please. Turn to Royal. Yeah, turn to Royal.
Always
It's
think
about
about
love.
money.
It's about compassion.
Was I the one who said
It's
that?
about humility.
Like,
I have all that.
That is
You
life.
don't.
That is life.
I have all that.
If I
You
didn't
don't.
have that, I shouldn't be giving you the lecture now. Okay? You need it most.
Because we do not
Listen,
practice what we
listen,
preach. Most of the
listen.
times. We never practice what we preach.
The same goes to you. Number one. You, number one. Same goes to you.
Same, but of us.
Yes. You look like you don't want to try.
No, you. I have all the humility.
But yes, we
empathy.
are human beings. We are human beings. So what we do is we
No,
need
you
to
are.
try
You are
everything.
monkey.
don't twist the real.
Okay, Miss, move. Move.
I
Okay.
have a lot of empathy.
Miss, please introduce
I'm full of-
yourself and one message for the students and for teachers.
My name
I
is
did
Miss
not- I said-
Aisha. My
That rich.
message for the students is always be happy, always be joyful in everything that
Look
you
here,
do,
Celine. Celine,
and
please.
always aim for the best. Give your 110%.
Yes.
And for the teachers,
From where does that
take life
10% come
easy.
from?
Don't be too stressful. You
From
should
where does
always have that
10%
kid
come
inside
from?
you.
Because why life is not that serious. So
Yes.
Of this block. Okay, miss, introduce yourself.
I am.
Konnichiwa.
100 is full. If you put
안녕하세요.
If you put something back,
안녕하세요.
Okay, this one.
사랑해.
What do you mean by saranghe?
I love you.
I love you too.
Duh, he said. Me too.
Okay, so I think this is the end of the vlog.
I'm colorblind. This is yellow.
That is yellow.
Yellow, colorblind, bro. Hi, Mr. Dalin. What color is that flag?
This is maroon.
That is pink. Isn't that?
This is pink.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, no, no.
What color is that, Rich?
This one?
You don't know, I'm sure you don't know.
Pink.
I don't know what color is this. What is that? This is not yellow, orange.
Is this satin? What is this material?
Is this orange, miss?
That is yellow.
No, yellow is this. This is yellow.
Oh yes.
Yeah, I don't.
This
This
is
is
golden.
coral, no? Golden. This is not golden.
That's not good. I don't even know what's golden is.
This
What's
is
What's the difference between this and this?
You don't even know the color of golden and yellow.
No, this looks.
Looks somewhat orange. Oh, this is orange. This is orange. I think it's the mixture of this and this.
No, this is crystal orange. This one.
I think it's the mixture of this and that. Of course, it's the A1. Who else would they? Oh, they have no. Of course, it's Manna Janai. Of course, it's Daisy. Who else? Let me go and take this. You, what is your job? Just take videos. Wow. Wow. Oh, that is very good. How is it, miss? What do you think? What do you think of that? Those?
Yes, those are very pretty.
Those are very pretty, yes.
Okay, so we'll manage. If it's too much, then we will cut also later. Right? When we arrange in the stage, only we'll know how it will look. Okay? We'll adjust in the stage. Done by my girls.
Where are the flags?
Okay then.
Better we separate now.
Okay.
Okay, the class 11, A1, A2, come inside.
Stand according to the class.
Class 11, A1, A2, come inside. Boys.
Don't go so far. Come. Hey. Please don't
Make a line there itself. Okay, next, picking up plastic from the gate till the junction towards the boys' hostel.
You have no work.
From
You have no
here
work.
till there.
No
there
work.
is a
For you.
meet, right? One route goes to the hostel, one comes inside, one goes there. So till there you have to go, collect plastic. Everything. This will be done by class 7 K3 and class 11 commerce boys. So here, then you go there. Class 11, 3 boys and class 11 commerce boys. Then the 3 boys remain there.
Rich! Hardworking guy. Or do you ask it? Yeah, you are. Very tipsy. Ronald. Fastar. Sorry kita kibarak tiar. Tak plastik. Mampir. Andrew, what happened? Is it true, Rich? I can see. Did it end? No. She was like, "May come one more time." She is the
Why you
owner
always
of here, and she did
the
this.
Miss Rose made this.
Oh, she's the one. Very pretty, like the ribbon.
Don't.
Why? You are pretty. You should be. Right, Miss Celine?
Yes. I used to tell her.
Who will cut this?
Oh, I told you.
Who will cut this?
You cannot walk from here. Me. You cannot help.
What is your
You
name?
can walk from here, but you have to help us with the balloons.
Backman. Oh, Panri. Backman.
Wow.
Misar.
Misa.
Oh.
Misa.
Cái thằng miệng là biết không? Hàng tôi nghe yang lesai. Ini in kublai u hack.
Harry.
Ilaap na lumenta.
Kami kamu.
You put the balloon.
Yeah.
No, we'll do together. Don't worry. We'll finish first. This one, come. Hi, F. Hi, F.
Pius, huh?
Pius. Oh, yes. Work hard, Pius.
Si, Sam.
Yes. That is fine, man. That is fine. Very good. Because of the ceiling.
For whom? Effie. Hey, please propose to Effie. Please propose to Effie with that. Give it to her, let her fix that one. She knows. Oh, yeah. Hi, Miss Ivan, please say something about Mamma Mia.
I don't.
Why?
What say something when I haven't watched the play
Movie?
yet. The movie?
Yeah, it's
Meryl
based on the
Streep.
movie only.
So any movie where Meryl Streep is would be nice. No Meryl Streep here, no. So I'm not sure. No.
It's in my hand.
No, you asked the same again after we watched the play.
No,
No, no, no, no.
preparation day
No,
is
no, no,
different.
no, 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 no. No, no, no.
You are very manager of this decoration. How do you feel, Panon?
I'm feeling
You work really hard. You have worked really hard. Please say something.
but not that very hard. But this work, it's a team work. So like that really.
Sir, how is the preparation? How's the preparation? How do you find? No?
Very creative.
Very creative, yes. This is the guy over here. This is the guy who did all that. Momes, how do you feel, Miss? Come here. How have you done? I mean, you have done a great job regarding the decoration. How do you
Students
feel?
did a great job.
Teamwork.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
Thank you.
Motivation and all, you have to do your...
Go ahead, decoration team.
I'll do like this.
This is decoration team.
Hey, Victory.
Gio, really? Were you part of this decoration team?
I am.
And
I discourage more. I don't want to discourage more doing here.
Hmm?
Yes.
Am I not? Am I not in this part?
You are not.
Who look after the gun? Okay, so Gio.
Who look after what?
Okay, please.
You did all the work, sir, here? Sure you did. Oh, they are here explaining. I was not there. Sorry. Very good.
St. Xavier's College. Shri Barnaby Maulong, IAS officer, our deputy commissioner. Shri Banrot Lang Jirwa, MPS, our superintendent of police.
Superintendent.
MDC, there is no name here. I don't know his name. Okay, so we'll see tomorrow. Father Alphonse, parish priest and principal, Nativity Parish and School. Government officials, village officials, church leaders, invited guests, and our dear friends of St. Xavier's to inaugurate Loyola block of the college.
Don't read from your phone, okay?
Yeah, he will print out. Father will print out. May I request you, Honorable by AL Honorable. May I request you, Honorable by AL Heck, to unveil the flag
Black.
So you guys will be standing there permanently.
Black.
So Violet will be standing there. No?
May I request you, Honorable A.L. Heck, to unveil the flag bearing your name of inauguration together with Father Paul Coelho.
Okay, now you have done.
He will say something.
I'm very happy to.
I'm happy to announce that the
St. Xavier's block.
the St. Xavier's block
Loyola
is
block.
open today.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Father. We are grateful. Once again, I take this opportunity to invite you, Sir A.L. Heck, to cut the ribbon and inaugurate Loyola block of St. Xavier's College together with our MDC, Shri --
You will bring the scissor. No, I'm the photographer.
Shri MDC. Thank you so much.
So
And
he will have to stay here.
The-
He will leave.
After that, I have to say, dear and honored guests, it is a momentous occasion of St. Xavier's to have you in our college to inaugurate Loyola Block. On this occasion, our class 12 students would like to present the musical play Mamma Mia. Kindly proceed to Xavier Hall on the 4th floor, led by our students. Please.
then you will have to
Then
lead them.
who will lead? Students first, no?
The students
When is the badge presentation?
when they are coming.
Yeah, when they are coming.
As soon as they
Okay,
come,
so
no need to.
we need two of them who will have to lead. Okay, since you accompany them there, right? When they come and cut the ribbon, you be there. Okay. Then when they go, now you have to lead sidewise. Okay, don't go together like this, but
What do you walk to? Pay walk to the lorry into the.
you understand? Okay, so finish now. So
No, father will lead together.
Thank you, Mr. Chief Guest.
I'm very happy to these will have and let's see this one inside.
Jak tiar tu Chief Guest.
Finish now.
Okay, everyone clear now?
You understand now? So don't lean on the wall. We have to stand like this. Okay. And especially here, we
Please
should
look
not go.
smart and smile also, okay?
Where
Please look what?
Smart and smile.
How to look smart? Come back.